Hi Hari, hi Murli, how are you guys?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay, so today we'll start our new chapter, that is conic section. Okay, just give me a moment. I think you are able to see the screen, right?
Sir.
Just a minute, I lost my pencil. Okay. So, okay, Murli. How many of you are there? Murli and Hari is there. Anyone else? Or shall I start? So, is this chapter finished in your book? In your school, I mean?
Yes, sir.
Done. So, you must be knowing about conic section, right? What is conic section? What do you mean by conic section? Yes, sir. Please tell me. You know that it's the sound that you hear, that conic section, how it is.
Section of cone, sir.
Yeah, it's yes. Tell me. It's a part of a cone. Okay.
Cross section, sir.
Yeah, means any section it can be, but it's a part of a cone. So first, let's write. Let me write down. So this is 11th chapter of your book, right? Conic section. Okay. Simply just understand, you know how to draw a cone, right? So let's draw a cone which is horizontal as well. Sorry, means one over the another. So you know you can draw a cone like this, right? Just draw this cone. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is a cone, fine, isn't it? Now, if I draw a perpendicular bisector at its base, or let's draw a line which is a line from the center of the circle to its top point. Okay, so let me draw it. Is that okay? So this is the height of the cone, right? And this is this point. Let's say point O is the center of this circle. This base is a circle, isn't it? The base of
Yes.
cone is a circle. Yes. Okay. Now, if you cut this cone perpendicular, that means by suppose you have a blade, something like that, something like this. If you have a blade, okay, and if you cut perpendicular to this yellow line, that means the angle between this red line and this yellow line is 90 degrees. Okay, so it will always make a circle, isn't it? The cross section is always circle. Yes or no?
Sir.
Right? Okay, so this is always circle. Right? Now, let's say there is another cone. You can make another cone. Let's try to understand from this only. Okay, so let's say this angle, in according to your book only, I'll be writing all the definitions. So this angle, let's say this is alpha. Okay, this angle is alpha, and now this is a plane. This is a plane actually that you are using like a blade, which you are using to cut it perpendicular to this surface. of the cone. Okay. Can we imagine this part? That this is a blade, okay, or a plane. You know what a plane is, right? It's a 2D surface. It's a plane. All right. So, or the section on this plane will be circular. If you cut this cone on anywhere perpendicular to this line, let's say OP, so you will always get a circle, right? Now this plane is cutting it at 90 degrees. So let's say this angle right here, it is beta. Okay. Alpha is the angle of cone. Angle of cone. And beta is the angle made by, or angle between the plane and the cone. Okay, so this is beta. Now if see this is one way to cut this, right? Now suppose if I take the same cone, let's say we have the same cone here. Okay, let's say we have the same cone. Okay, okay. A bit bigger. Sorry. Hopefully you are able to understand. Now, if the plane, if you cut it at some angle, now this again will be the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle O. This line is OP. Now, the plane that you are using to cut is something like this. Okay, on this plane now you are cutting it. So it is intersecting the angle, something like this. This plane you are using to cut this perpendicular. So it is, let's say it is intersecting at this point, right? That means this is the line, this line we are talking about. Okay, this line. So this line is making an angle beta. We have already discussed that we have named this beta. Okay, this angle is beta and this angle is alpha. Okay, it can cut at any angle, right? In this manner or any different manner it can cut. Okay, so if, let's say if beta is equal to 90 degrees, so we already saw it will give a circle, right? The section will be circular. If beta is great, okay, let me write, if beta is lesser than 90 degrees, but it is greater than alpha. It is greater than the angle of cone. So what you'll get? You'll get an ellipse. Okay. That means this one you will get an ellipse. So this section, you can draw something like that. So you will get an ellipse here. All right. If suppose this alpha is equal, or beta is equal to alpha. If beta is equal to alpha, what you'll get? What section you will get? You will get a parabola. Okay. Now, lastly, if what is remaining? Beta is less than alpha. If beta is less than alpha, but of course it has to be greater than 0, you will get a hyperbola. Okay. You get hyperbola. Understood these sections? See, beta can alpha is fixed. Alpha is a fixed value for a given cone. For a given cone, alpha is fixed value, but beta can vary. So this is varying beta. Say if beta is equal to 90 degrees, that means it will give a circle. If beta is lesser than 90 and greater than alpha, it will give you ellipse. Okay. If alpha is equal to beta, then it will give you parabola. Simple. These are all sections of a cone. That's why it is called conic section. All right. Now the first we are going to study about is circles. Okay. So first we will study about circles. We'll see some of the properties of circles. Okay. We have studied straight line. Now we'll be studying circles. Okay. So what is how you will define a circle? What's the definition of a circle? What do you mean when you say circle? Anyone? Yes, Hari, Murali. Who else is there?
2D shapes, sir.
Shreya. Tell me.
Two-dimensional shapes, sir.
Okay. Two-dimensional shape. Okay. So is this a two-dimensional shape?
No, sir.
Yeah, it is also a two-dimensional shape.
Yes,
No,
sir. Yes, sir. Not a circle, sir.
but it's not a circle. Yeah. Anything else? Yes. Anyone? Shreya. Yes, Shreya. Tell me. Just think about circle. What is a circle? See, I'll just draw a circle for you guys. Okay, this is a circle. Now tell me, what do you see here that is unique? Let's say this is a center O. Can anyone tell me the definition of circle? How you will define a circle?
It doesn't have any edges.
It doesn't has any
Edges.
end. Okay. Acceptable, but okay, if I draw a loop, okay, this also has no end, right? There's no end of this loop as well. Is it a circle? Even ellipse also. See, if you draw a ellipse, so a ellipse also do not have any end, no?
No, sir,
So-
I said edge. EDG.
And
Edge.
what? Edge.
EDG. Yes, sir.
ADG.
EDG.
Oh, okay. Edge, you are saying edge. This is what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but ellipse also do not have any edge, no? Right? See, something unique you are able to see here. Okay, I'll give you one hint. Yes, now tell me. Tell me. Okay, let's try to understand it. Okay. Okay. Now you have a center. Okay. You have a center O. So imagine that you have a nail. You fixed a nail here. Okay, on the wall or on the ground, you fix a nail. You tie a thread to this nail. Okay. You tie a thread. Let's erase everything. You tie a thread to this nail. Let's say this is the length of the thread. And you put a marker here or something, anything that can mark, or another nail in which you can groove the ground using which. So now if you trace, because this point O is fixed. O is a fixed point, right? O is a fixed point. Now if you trace this, right? If you trace this, what you'll get? You'll get a circle, isn't it? Yes or no? Tell me if I'm wrong.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a fixed length which you can trace from a fixed point, then you will get a circle. That means all the points here, infinite number of points that are here, okay, together they will form a circle. So you will say is the locus of a point. So this is the point here we are talking about, is the locus of a point which is at a fixed distance from a fixed point, or that fixed point is called center. Okay, so circle, let me write the definition. See, the definition is important. You always study about circle, but we don't have a clear definition of circle, how you will define a circle. Okay, so a circle is the locus See, likewise, why I'm giving you definition suddenly instead of equations, because those equations are defined using this. We use these parameters to define those equations. These definition we will use. Similarly, for parabola, we will also see there is some unique property of parabola. For hyperbola and for ellipse also, there is some unique properties. Okay, that's why they are different shapes. Okay, and these are not just these are really easy shapes to study. Okay, so the locus. Can anyone repeat the definition? Can anyone repeat the definition? The circle is the locus of a point which moves in a plane. Yeah, see, plane is also really important here. Why? Because we are only studying circle we are studying 2D circles. Okay, 2-dimensional circle we are studying only. Why? Now you can say why circle is 3-dimensional also. No, circle is not 3-dimensional, but there are multi-dimension in which means in higher order mathematics, where circle is defined like fourth order or fourth what is that? Fourth dimension circle or 8th dimension circle, something like that concept is there. Those are just concepts. Sorry. So we don't actually see, we only see 3D objects. We do not see more than 3D. 4th dimension, 5th dimension, we don't see actually. So, but circle is defined only on a plane. It's a plane figure. Okay. So it can be defined only using 2 axes or 2 coordinate system, we can say X and Y. Okay. So it can be defined. See, in like modulus of Z in complex number will also give you modulus of Z is equal to 0 if you put or equal to R. That will also give you circle, equation of circle. Okay, later on we'll talk about that later. So it's a circle is a locus of a point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point. Okay, and this fixed point is called center, right? Center of the circle. Fixed point remains constant. Okay, and the distance is your radius. Okay, this plane is important, this locus of a point. So now you understood the definition of circle. It's a locus of a point. That means the path traced by this point from a fixed point at fixed distance. Okay, that is called a circle. Understood? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, as whatever we have studied before, okay, in mathematics, whatever we studied before, I'll start from there. We'll try to understand circle from there. See, circle, I think it was also there in your 11th standard, sorry, 9th standard. But there you had studied some of the properties of circle, like tangent, it will intersect. If you have a chord on a circle, right? This is called chord of a circle. And if you draw a perpendicular line, it will bisect this. That means this length will be equal to this length. So I hope those properties you guys, you all remember those properties, okay? Not going to repeat there here. Now, since it is in XY plane, so let me draw the XY plane again. So circle can be anywhere, right? On this plane. So this is Y, this is X. Now, if we draw a circle, okay, let's say there is a line. Okay, and this line has a length, some length. So it will have some coordinate. This point will have some coordinate X, Y. Yes, isn't it? This point will have some, this point P is having some coordinate X, Y, and it is from the origin, which is 0, 0, right? Now, if you fix the origin, so how much is this length? how you will define this length? How much will be this length? From here to here, it is X, right? And from here to here, it is Y, isn't it? Now, suppose the length of OP is given to you. OP, what will be using distance formula? Can you tell me the distance of OP? OP will be how much? Or using Python, because of course it is 90 degrees. So using Pythagoras theorem also, you can say what's the distance of OP? This will be square root of X square plus Y square, isn't it? Just see. It will be X square plus Y square, square root of X square plus Y square. Yes. And let's say this distance is your radius R. Okay, R of the circle. So the equation of circle will become X square square root of X square plus Y square is equal to R. So X square plus Y square is equal to R square. Now this is a circle. This will become a circle. Okay, this will become a circle whose center is the origin. So X square plus Y square is equal to R square is equation of a circle whose center is at origin 0, 0, okay, and has a radius of R. Is it clear? Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will try to find out the standard equation of circle. Okay, how a circle is defined. All right. So from, okay, standard equation of circle. Let's write standard equation. So this, see, because why I just drew it, we have already seen this type of diagram everywhere in complex number, in trigonometry, or we have always reached this, right? Z is equal to, in fact, in complex number also we have done this part, right? In physics, you might have done this a lot. Okay. So standard equation of just a minute. Standard equation of a circle. So suppose there is a circle, let's say there is circle anywhere. We don't know where the origin is. Okay, or its center is just the coordinate of its center is given. Okay, so it's the center, the coordinate of center is H, comma, K. Coordinate can be anything, right? Yes. Yes or no? And its radius is R. Small r, let's write small r. So what will be the equation of the circle? Anybody of you know? So standard equation of circle is defined as X minus H square plus Y minus K square is equal to R square. Now you just compare these two equations, this equation and this equation. Now here it is centered at origin. That means the value of H is also 0, K is also 0. Then it will become the same equation, right? If you put this as if the origin is here, right, yx, that means it will become the same circle. Okay, this circle it will become. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, now you guys, you solve this problem. I think that information was enough. So you have to find the equation of circle. Find the equation of a circle whose center is given 1, comma minus 2 and radius is minus 4. Sorry, radius cannot be minus, right? So plus 4 centimeter. or some unit. Let's not write centimeter. Radius is 4 unit. Yeah, tell me. Someone tell me answer. Just plug in this equation.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, it's x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0.
Okay, so x square plus y square minus 2x
Minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0.
minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Anyone want to rectify this?
Sir, minus 9, sir.
Minus 9, okay.
Yes.
So this is Murli's answer. Anyone else? Okay. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus minus. So this will be y plus 2 square is equal to r square. R is how much? 4. So 4 square is how much? 16. Right? So this will become x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus, sorry, plus how much? 4y, isn't it? Minus 16 is equal to 0. Yes. So this will become x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y and minus 4 minus 12 minus 12 minus 11, right, is equal to 0. So this is your answer. Murli, where you made the mistake?
Sir, I wrote it as y minus 2 the whole square, sir.
You have to take care of that, okay?
Yes, sir.
These are silly mistakes. Don't lose marks because of your silly mistakes. Yeah. Murli, I have checked your paper. You do a lot of silly mistakes like this. You know, your Shreya, you too. Both of you. I have checked both of your paper. Just silly mistakes are there. You will score a lot. Believe me, you will score a lot. Just avoid that. Don't be in a rush. You are always like, okay, I'm running out of time, running out of time. Don't do that. I have checked both of your papers and you guys do a lot of silly mistakes. Don't do that. Hurry, you too. Yeah, silly mistakes is there, but Murli, you are the god of silly mistakes. I've checked your paper. Don't do that now.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, next problem. Acha, before we go to problem, let's understand one property of circle. See, there are a lot of properties, a lot. But according to your CBSE syllabus, we'll discuss only few points. Properties. Okay, let's write number 1. First property, I just see now if in circle is always in up on a plane, right? On XY plane, we are defining the circle. All right. Now, whenever you draw a circle, you just see that there are always 3 collinear points. Let's say this is your first point, right? First point, let's say second point and third point, anywhere. It can be even here also you can draw. Okay. So 3 collinear, see, these are 3 collinear points, right? Means you can draw either this line. So this is, these 2 lines are collinear. Let's name the points. Let's say point A, B, and C. So 3 points must be collinear for a circle. Okay. So from 3 points, 3 collinear points, we cannot draw a circle. Okay. From 3 collinear point, it is not possible to draw a circle. Like any, you'll see that any 3 point, like it's a line, right? So circle will intersect only at 2 points. It will never intersect at 3 point on a line. Understood? You understood or not? Huh,
Yes,
Shreya?
Yes, sir.
So this is line L. So write down, all of you write down that circle, a line and a circle, a line and a circle will intersect. Will not, let's write can or may intersect at maximum of 2 points. It cannot intersect more than 2 points. There is no circle that will pass from 3 collinear points. Okay, so write down here, there is no circle that will pass through 3 collinear points. Got it? Understood? Is it clear? See why I wrote maximum, because a line can be here also, right? So that means this line is not even touching the circle. Okay, or some line, if it is just touching the circle, that means it's a tangent. It is touching only at 1 point. So it can maximum touch 2 points or 1 point or none of the point. Okay, understood? Okay, second property, write down. Property 2. Okay, now this is again kind of, yeah, see the property. So if there is a circle in plane, anywhere in plane, okay, so it will, if there are 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, okay, so there is only one circle that will pass through 3 non-collinear points. First write down, there is one and only one circle passing through 3 non-collinear point. What do you mean by that? Like that means in the first property we already defined that the point has to be non-collinear, right? Point cannot be collinear. This is the first property, right? Circle will always, it can be defined using 3 points, A, B, and C, and A, B, and C cannot be collinear. Okay, you can draw a line from A to B, you can draw a line from A to C, you can draw a line from B to C. Okay, B to C, but all these 3, you cannot draw any line which will pass from A, B, and C. That means a circle will always pass through non-collinear points, 3 non-collinear points. Okay, that is defined. Okay, or let's write down here again if you have a problem. A circle will always pass through 3 non-collinear points. Okay, non-collinear. Understand? Here I'm writing collinear, 3 collinear. This is, and this is 3 non-collinear. Understand this difference. Now, now we have defined that it will pass through 3 non-collinear points. Let's say A, B, and C. 3 non-collinear point it will pass through. But there will only be one circle that will pass through these 3 points. There cannot be any other circle that can pass through these points. Okay, you cannot draw a circle. You cannot draw a circle which will pass through these 3 points. It is not possible. This is the only circle. That means the equation of this circle is fixed, right? Circles can intersect at 2 points maximum. 2 different circles can intersect at 2 points. It cannot intersect at all 3 points. Okay? Like if you have 2 circles, let's say this is one circle and another circle. So it will intersect maximum of 2 points, here and here, A and B. So there is no circle that can pass through all 3 points. Got it? See, there is also a property that, let's say if this is the center and this is the center of this circle. So if you draw a line from the centers and draw the line from its intersection point, so this will always be perpendicular. So this is C1, this is C2 and AB. AB will be perpendicular. AB will always be perpendicular on C1, C2. This is again one of the property of circle. Property 4. Property 2, or let me write here property 3. Okay. All right. So with I hope this is clear to you guys. Anyone is having doubt? See, there are a lot of properties of circle, but I think these will do. Okay. You won't feel much trouble with this. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try to find out for you guys, solve a problem. Okay. Now I'm giving you some diagram. You find out the equation of that circle. Okay. Y, this is X. Okay. Let me draw a circle. Okay. So this is a circle. All right. I'll give you some of the points. So let's say this point, this is the center of the circle, and this is, let's say, H comma K, H comma K. Find out the equation of the circle. Tell me the equation of the circle. Only this much is given. How you will find the equation? Shreya, can you find the equation? It is easy, no? Anyone? See. Murli, can you find this or not?
Sir, not sure.
Not? See. How much is the distance from this distance is how much given? H, right? You
Yes.
need to find the radius, right? Radius is not given, but it is touching x-axis. So this is K. That means K will be your radius, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Sir.
just put in standard equation. So X minus center is what? H square plus Y minus K square is equal to K square. Got it? Now solve this one. You understood why this is? K will be your radius, no?
Yes.
This,
sir. Yes.
this is only radius, right? This is the radius of circle, isn't it?
Yes. Sir.
See, if some information is given, that means that is enough to solve this problem. Okay. That means this is the equation. What you will get? Tell me, someone please tell me the answer. So you'll get x square plus y square. Shreya, you tell me what you'll get. Shreya.
Sir, x square minus 2x h plus h square plus y square minus 2yk.
2ky, right? Plus h square, right? Is equal to 0, right? Is it
Yes.
correct? Okay, let me shift it a little bit. Is that correct? Okay. So what type of circle is this? So write down when circle touches, when circle touches what? X-axis, isn't it? The circle is touching x-axis, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That means you will find the radius from there. Now suppose if the circle is just touching y-axis, find out the equation. Find out yourself. I'll just draw it. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Someone please tell me the answer. So this is your circle. We already know the center we are defining as h comma k, right? So this distance This one is h, and this one is k. Which one is the radius of circle? Radius of circle is how much?
H, sir.
H.
H.
Yeah, very good. So h is the radius. Hari, you are getting it? Hari? So see, always remember general equation of circle: x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, radius square, and h and k is what? What is h and k? This is the coordinate of center.
Yes, sir.
Okay, find out the equation. So it will be, tell me, someone tell me.
X square minus 2xh plus y square minus 2yk plus k square.
X square, that means x square plus y square minus 2hx, right? Minus 2ky plus k square, right? Is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this is a write down equation of circle when circle is touching y-axis. When circle is touching y-axis. That means y-axis is the tangent here. Earlier case, x-axis was the tangent, right? Now, if the circle is touching both axes, find out that. So this is first, okay, first, same question, first part. This is second part. Now find out third part. If circle is touching both axes. If circle is touching both axes. Let's say this is y. It is just touching, not intersecting. Okay, understand the difference. It is not intersecting. Y, x. So it is just touching both the. It can be anywhere. It doesn't matter. It can be here also. All right. So it is just touching both. Okay. Here, let's say here. We always define its center CYHK, right? So what is the radius? So this distance is your h. This is your k. In this case, h and k are equal.
Yes, sir.
H is equal to k is equal to radius, isn't it? So substitute in that equation and find out. So we know general equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now plug this one here. So x minus h square plus y minus h square. Instead of k, we are writing h, or instead of h, you can write k, doesn't matter. So here also h square. Then r also you will write same. R is equal to h is equal to k. Okay. So what you'll get? We are writing h in terms of h, or in terms of k also you can write, doesn't matter, because both are same. So what equation you will get? X square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2hy plus h square is equal to 0, right? Or you can also write this as x square plus y square minus 2h, you can take common, x plus y plus h square is equal to 0, isn't it?
Yes.
Both are correct. Or if you want, you can write in terms of k. So it will become x square plus y square minus 2k x plus y plus k square is equal to 0. Okay, all are correct. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down next question. Okay, now write down the equation of circle that is passing through origin. Circle passing through origin. Okay, passing through origin. Origin is what? 0, 0. And center. Center of the circle is, center is at h comma k. Okay, find out the equation of circle. So that means it's given that there is a circle. First let me draw a line. There is some circle, we don't know where it is. Okay, it is x, y. Now it's given that it is passing through origin. One information is given to us. Okay, so let's draw a circle which can pass through origin. So, okay. Is that okay? This is the origin, isn't it? So it is passing through 0, 0. There is a point given at the, and its center is where? H comma k. This is the center, h k. Right? Shreya, you are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the equation of this circle. See, this circle can be any other circle also. So just it has to pass through origin. It can be like this as well, right? It can be like this as well. So in that case, its center will be here, h comma k. I'm just removing it just for your understanding. So how you will find the radius? Anyone?
Sir, distance formula from center
Yes.
to
Yes.
origin.
So this is the radius, isn't it? Or you can use the Pythagoras theorem as well. This distance is how much? This is h, right? And this is your k. So, and this is your 90 degree. So r will be equal to what? What is r? Square root of h square plus k square. Yes? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
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 sir.
or tell me. R is equal to h square plus y x square plus, sorry, h square plus k square. That will be equal to your radius. Now just plug in the equation. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now plug in this equation, this value r. So you'll get, what you'll get? x square plus h square plus 2xh or hx plus y square plus k square plus, oh sorry, minus, no, it is minus, I'm sorry, minus 2ky, here also it is minus is equal to r square, and r square is will be equal to what? H square plus k square. Now h square and k square you can cancel. So what will be the equation of circle? It will become x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2hy is equal to 0. Yes,
Yes, sir.
got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt so far? We have used only one equation, right? We have only used one equation. We have tried, your aim is to find the radius. That's it, right? Because h comma k is already given, the center. If it's not given, if radius is given, you will do the opposite. Okay, some other information must be given. Okay, next, solve this problem. Find the equation of circle. Find equation of circle. Find equation of circle whose radius, so given radius is 0 and centered at, and let me write, and center is h comma k. Find out the equation of circle. That means x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. That means r is 0 isn't it? Radius is given 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So simply it will become what? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to 0. Yes. Now what is this? This is called zero circle or point circle. Okay. These circle are called point circle or zero circle. Got it? Because if radius is 0, that means what type of circle you will get? Huh? Shreya, what circle you will get?
Point.
The radius, you will only get a point, right? You will not
Yes.
even get anything. So y and x. So you will only get a point, dot. And dot where? At h, sorry, hk, right? This is the circle you are getting. All right. Okay. So let's solve some of the problems from your NCERT book. So these are the types of circle that you are going to face. Okay, and I'll check if there is another property that you don't have to study, but all right. Everyone has NCERT book. So find the equation of circle that passes through point 0, 0 and making intercept A and B on the coordinate axis. Solve question number 13, exercise 11.1. All other questions are easy. You can solve in a minute. Solve question number 13. See, whenever you are given a problem, first draw the problem. Okay, how? Like this. Okay, so it's given y, x, and a circle is given which is passing through origin. We just had this type of circle, right? Let's say this is the circle which is passing through origin. All right. So 1 point is given, 0, 0. Okay. Now what it says and make intercept A and B on coordinate axis. That means A is here. That means A comma, it is passing through A comma 0 and 0 comma B. That is X and Y intercept. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes or no? So this is given. Now can you not find the center? How you will find the center? Your aim is to find H and K. Find H, K. So you will find radius H, K, R. Right? In terms of A and B, of course, you have to find in terms of A and B. You have to find H, you have to find K, you have to find radius. If H and K is known, that means radius is known, right? And what else you have to find? Nothing else. Because R will be equal to what? Square root of H square plus K square, isn't it? We just solve this problem. See here, circle passing through origin, centered at H comma K. So instead of H comma K, you are given this value. This point and this point is given. So how you will find H and K? Do it. Try to solve it yourself. I got it. Anyone? It's an easy problem. See, there are different methods to solve this. We will use the simplest method. See, now point O, let's say this is point O, let's say this is point A, and this is point B. Okay, O, A, B are on this circle, right? Now on this circle, any point can be defined using X comma Y. Fine, no issues. Okay, now what is the equation of circle? General equation of circle is X minus, okay, let me use white ink. X minus H square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, right? This is the, isn't it? Now it is passing through origin. So a equation of circle. So this is the equation of any circle which is passing through point point x comma y, and its center is x, h and k. It is passing through point. It is passing through origin O. So it is passing through O, and O is 0, 0 origin. So you can put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. What you'll get? So h square plus k square is equal to r square. Let's say this is equation number 1. Is it fine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it is also passing through point A. A is what? A comma 0. Now x is equal to A and y is equal to 0. Put it here. X is equal to A. Now write down A minus h whole square plus k y is 0 minus k square. So plus k square is equal to r square. Equation number 2, right? It is also passing through point B, which is 0 comma B. That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to B. So it will become h square plus b minus k whole square is equal to r square. 3 equations. Now you have 3 variables, right? You have this to find out, and you have 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. So find the value of h and k. Find the value of h and k from here in terms of a and b. Solve it. You have 3 equations, you have 2 variables, because the relation between r you already know. R is equal to square root of h square plus k square. Sorry, h square plus k square. Yeah, from here. Find out, solve it. Same, put equation number 1 in equation number 2. Put equation 1 in 2. What you will get? What is equation 2? A minus h whole square, a minus h whole square plus k square is equal to r square, and r is h square plus k square, right? R is h square plus k square, isn't it? So you solve this one, what you'll get? So this is a square minus 2ah plus h square plus k square is equal to h square plus k square. So this will cancel. This you can cancel. What you will get? A square is equal to 2ah. 1a also you can cancel, right? H will be equal to a by 2. Yes? Yes or no? The value of h you have got, no? Isn't it? Anyone please
Yes,
answer
sir.
me.
Yes, sir. Got it,
Yeah.
sir. Got it.
Yeah. Now put equation number, you can, what or you can do, you can put equation number 1 in equation number 3 also. Or you can just directly use the value of h to find the value of k. So first put equation number 1 in 3 and tell me the value of k. Tell me how much you are getting k. What is equation number, third equation? H square plus b square minus b minus h square plus b minus k whole square is equal to what? R square, isn't it? And r square is what? H square plus k square. Now tell me what value of k you are getting from here.
B by
H
2.
K is equal to
B by 2.
k is equal to b by 2, right? Yeah. Now you have h, you have k. Okay. Use h and k and find what? R. How much is R? Or R square is equal to h square plus k square. That means a square by 4 plus b square by 4. Yes? Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now find the equation of circle. So general equation is hx minus h whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Now tell me x minus h. H is what? A by 2 square plus y minus b by 2 whole square is equal to r square. R square we already got, a square by 4 plus b square by 4. Yeah, tell me how much you're what you're getting. What you will get? Yes, sir. Shreya, tell me. Hari, what happened? You are not saying any answer here. So the equation you will get is, I'll write it because you have another class. So this will be x square plus y square minus ax, ax minus by is equal to 0. That's what you will get. Okay. This is the equation of your required circle. All right. So this is your answer. You just solve this above one, you will get this. Okay. The last point what I want to tell you here is, what circle is this? What circle is this? See. This is y, this is x. All right. Now it says it is passing, there is a circle which is passing through point, which is passing through origin and some point. Okay. So let's say like this, and it's given it is passing through point A0 and 0B. Okay, and origin 0, 0. See how, what other circle is possible? A and B can be in the negative side as well, right? So another possible circle will be like this. Sorry. This is also possible, right? What
Yes,
else
sir.
is possible? What else is possible? Okay. So what else is, this is also possible, isn't it? This is also possible. What else is possible?
So there will be many circles, sir.
That's what I mean. There can be 4 circles only. There cannot be many circles. There can be 4 circles. Okay, there can be 4 possible circles. Means, of course, if the value of a and b is fixed, means, if you check in that manner, so the value of a and b can vary, infinite values of a and b can be there, then it can have infinite circle. I am saying the possible shape of the circles can be like this. Okay, yeah, of course, if you increase the radius, there can be many circles, right? So this is again different circle, this is again different circle, so like that. So that's what I wanted to tell you. All right, thank you so much. I think you have your chemistry class, so go attend that. Thank you, bye. I'll see you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Tomorrow I don't think there will be mathematics class, maybe day after tomorrow it will have. Okay, thanks, bye.
Thank you.
sir.
To end the meeting.